define what called divergence, what you call divergence or vector divergence. You know this nabla. Nabla is a vector. If you remember it, vector, its component partial by partial x, partial by partial y, partial by partial z, and f also vector field here. So today we'll define what we call divergence. Divergence. The divergence we refer or use the symbol of div vector or nabla dot f, which is scalar product. So this vector, we have to, then when we have two vector, we'll be able. Let's have or let's calculate this example. Find div f. Div f can be written as nabla dot f equal. So now we have what? We have dot product or what? So the first component here, right? First component times or will affect the first component here. Okay, like this. Right? Plus, and the dot product actually is scalar quantity, right? So by doing this, we'll not have ijk, we'll not have vector anymore. It's scalar quantity. So the divergence is scalar quantity. All right. The second component is partial by partial y, and will affect the second component or multiply the second component plus finally, or you can write negative, no problem, or write plus negative as I will do now. The third or the last component, don't forget the negative sign because we don't put it here, then keep it here. And now you can just do your calculation directly. Okay, so the derivative of the first component is what? It's what? 2x y cube, because we'll think about y and z here as constant. So just treat y as constant, we'll keep it, and the only variable here is x, or actually temporary, we are treating it as variable and the other as constant. So the derivative of x squared is 2x, and keep y cube as it is, but negative z4 or z to the power 4 will be 0. So we'll not have it. Plus the second term, here the only variable is y. And we'll treat both x and z as constant. So the derivative of y squared is 2y, and we have 4 here, then we have 8x power 5 y z, like this. Finally, the last term here is a derivative with z, then y will be treated as constant, but we will have to take the derivative of z to the power 6 will be 6 z to the power 5 or 6 y to the power 4 as it is, z to the power 5. And this is a final answer and the divergence of our given vector or vector field.